Are you a rainmaker who has grown your business to the point that you know you need someone to come in and run the day-to-day operations for you? You've come to the realization that you need a director of operations. Well, now you've found that person and you have no idea how to set them up for success. You don't have the time, the energy, and/or the knowledge to train them in their role. Guess what? Let me help you do that. Are you a director of operations and aren't clear on exactly what your job entails? You need clarity on what needs to be focused on to create a highly functioning, profitable real estate business? Let me show you. This 90-day program will give a director of operations the foundation they need. They will leave with an understanding of Keller Williams, real estate best practices, and an evaluation of the real estate team/business that has employed them. They will understand how to lead, build, and grow a profitable and highly efficient organization.